play football? You could be... Not right now, I'm playing my game! You got a tissue? Not right now, I'm playing my game! Hey, I'm a beautiful and gorgeous woman. Want to go out with me? Not right now, I'm playing my game! We could go to the movies, and maybe we could watch a movie. Not right now, I'm playing my game! Matt, do you want to play a game? I'm playing my game! Look who got up on the wrong side of bed this morning. Not right now, I'm playing my game! Not right now, I'm playing my game! Hey dude, I didn't even say anything that time. I'm just gonna, I guess... Dude, I didn't say anything that time. You're going crazy. You're going crazy. Hey dude, I didn't say anything that time. Guess I'm gonna have to unplug the computer.